Welcome to another episode of the Coffee Conversation Show, powered by the Emerging India Forum, TIF, and our tech partner, Prime Informatics Solution. Today's series is Sri Shakti. Theme is Strategic Leadership, the Business of Finance. We have with us Damanjit Edwin Isaac, and we are at Borkar and Majumdar, a seasoned management and financial consultant. Damanjit brings over 27 years of experience in corporate finance, company law, and financial management. So welcome Damanjit to today's special episode, and I just want to explain you the format. Ma'am, 3 rounds रहेगा, personal, professional, and a rapid fire fun round. इसमें आपको ये book, I am the author of 12 books, which autograph you will get after you win this round. So Damanjit, my first question will be, what inspired you to pursue a career in finance and company law?
Actually, since childhood, I wanted to become a fashion designer, but I was not aware how to start it, because that time internet Google was not available. So I joined a listed company, and then I worked under company secretary and ex-registrar of ROC, and hence liking for company law. And then I pursued CS, and then later I joined CA firm, and hence interest in finance. And from there my journey started, and it was a life-changing decision for me.
Wow. So ma'am, you have been an executive director at Equity Link Research, and this is the CFM also, Borkar and Majumdar.
Yeah.
So what brought you to work under Borkar and Majumdar, and what are your key responsibilities over here?
Actually, Equity Link is the sister concern of Borkar and Majumdar, the common partners and shareholders. And my main job is, business development, client relationship, and getting to their queries with regard to tax, company law, FEMA.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Like,
So ma'am, आपकी जर्नी में what are the key challenges you have faced?
key challenges is, I'm looking after mainly the entertainment industry. So from scratch to end, I'm looking after each and every, whether it's professional, sometimes it's personal also,
Mm-hmm.
and different genre queries, taxes.
So ma'am, in your day-to-day operations, technology किस तरह से आपको help कर रहा है, and क्या changes आपने आपके team में देखे हो using technology?
Yeah, technology has played a very pivotal role in my job profile. I think from last 20 years we have gone paperless. The moment there was change in MCA came, everything was online. So we have almost removed paper from our working environment. We have gone paperless. We are saving trees. We are working towards environment also. And I can say everything is online. All latest technology we try to learn. Now, as you know, AI has come.
Mm-hmm.
So change is inevitable. We keep on learning new things. We try hard to learn new things, update our knowledge, and the same thing we take it in our work profile. And I think in my office I was the first one to bring in everything online. We used to scan papers, keep it in folders, no printouts, and it was very easy and convenient to work that way. And yeah, we have embraced the changes in technology. We have used utmost.
Super ma'am.
Yeah.
So ma'am, आपकी changes होते रहते हैं अपना finance, tax laws. So learning and development के लिए आप क्या-क्या steps लेते हो आपके लिए और आपकी team के लिए?
Yeah, when in my first job, when I joined as an intern during my college time, there was a very learned person who has told me that Damanji, wherever you go, always be a student and be a good learner. So that philosophy I am still following it. I am a learner and a student, so I try to update myself. I try to learn from wherever, whosoever, and keep me updated. I read whatever field it is. Now they have come for recording, so I was asking question, what is this? So I'm very inquisitive about learning new things from whomsoever it is.
Very good.
Whomsoever. And I don't shy away from teaching my team. Whatever is my knowledge, I believe in sharing is caring. The more you share knowledge, the more you gain knowledge. That's my motto. And as we have so many students, I am always on toes. I am always helpful. I help them. If they anytime they come with any query, any problems, I see to it that I am helpful to them.
Wow.
And because of that, I have gained so much trust from my team member. Anytime during the day, if it's 10 in the night, if there is any urgent work, I tell them this is required. Wherever they are, they will see to it that work is completed. So me and my team, we don't see it's daytime or working time. We work
Super.
as per the requirement.
सो मैम, आपके यहाँ पे जो इंटर्न्स ये काम करने आए हैं या स्टूडेंट्स लोग को आपके एक्सपीरियंस के हिसाब से आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहिए कि लोग कौन सी एरियाज पे फोकस करें ताकि ये लोग करियर में आगे बढ़े?
See, the main thing, whatever they want to achieve now is an ocean. पहले होता था कि ओके डॉक्टर बनना है, इंजीनियर बनना है, ऐसा नहीं है. अभी इतना फील्ड्स और इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज है. You can excel in anyone, but you have to have focus, and you should know what you want to do and what exactly you want, because nowadays so much knowledge is there online and people are there to help. And I try, people come to me for counseling, guidance. I always try to, whatever knowledge I have gained, I try to help them in that field. And since I myself is a mother of a son, so I treat them as my child also, and I'm always there for them.
वाह. सो मैम, के लिए लास्ट क्वेश्चन, प्रोफेशनल जर्नी में सिंस ये स्त्री शक्ति का एपिसोड है, सो आपके हिसाब से एक स्त्री शक्ति क्या है?
Stree Shakti, women are power. They have lot of patience. They are multitasker. Whether it's a homemaker, they look after their house themselves. They are their executive, CEO, manager. The same way we work professionally and personally, balance our life and work towards to achieve our goal, is balancing different roles and working towards Stree Shakti.
सुपर मैम, सुपर सर. सो अभी आपकी पर्सनल जर्नी पे जाते हैं. आपकी फैमिली और ये ग्रोइंग अप इयर्स कैसे रिया?
I was born in armed forces. My father was in Indian Navy, and he used to be transferred, so we used to travel to different states. And being in different states have instilled discipline and loyalty in me. And you know how we are brought up in armed forces with lot of discipline. That has really helped me in my formative years.
वाह. सो मैम, आप HR कॉलेज किए, सो वहाँ के एक्शन मेमोरीज पे अपन डाउन नहीं जाते?
जब भी HR कॉलेज ले गया तो मेरे मतलब बोलते ना, आंखें ऐसा चमक जाती है. आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ माई कॉलेज. And whenever I say HR college, automatic that proud comes. And the faculties were very motivating and skillful. And whatever I have learned or confidence I had gained, it was because of HR college.
सुपर सुपर. सो आपकी फैमिली में मैम आप किससे क्लोज हो?
I am close to my son.
ओके. सो आप उसके साथ में क्या क्या ये एक्टिविटीज करते हो?
Now he's married and now he's settled down. But earlier, we used to go together. We used to go for movies, shopping, everything. And he is very close. He used to share everything with me. And matlab, he will say, Mom, I have to discuss something with you. So as a friend, we used to discuss if there is any issue. We sit down and we discuss as a friend, not as a mother-son. Though I am very possessive because I don't want him to, get in some trouble. I am very protective to him, and whatever he is today, I am very proud of him. And he's very patient, caring, and whenever I'm in a trouble, I will tell him, and he has some other solution.
Wow.
Yeah, Mom, you do this. So more of a mother-son, more of a friend relationship we have.
Wow, super. So मैम, आपकी हॉबीज या पैशन जो चाइल्डहुड में आपने कुछ स्टार्ट किए रहेंगे, कुछ अभी कंटिन्यूड है या कुछ आपने नया पैशन कुछ स्टार्ट किए?
See, for me, learning is my life. So I keep on learning something or the other thing, and anytime, every year, I see to it that I learn something new. So yeah, when I was young, I wanted to go for swimming. That time I didn't have the facility or something. So 2 years back, I went for swimming. I learned swimming, and then me and my family, we are very hardcore cricket fan. That time we used to play, and then from last 1 year in our office we have that box cricket league. So we have team, and then I had my girls team, and then we played cricket. And now my dream is to go for marathon. I have gone for 5 kilometer and 11 kilometer, and my next goal is for 21 kilometer full marathon, and then full marathon. Though I have got some knee problem, but I'm working on it. So I want to run for full marathon. That's my next goal.
That's very motivation. And so ma'am, how do you unwind after a busy day work schedule?
Yeah, I love watching movies. I watch any kind of web series on OTT. Then I like gardening. I have nice garden in my house, balcony garden. And yeah, some of my plants are almost 15-16 years old. I speak with them.
Yes, there are people who do.
I speak with them. I can feel the energy from them. Yeah, every morning 1 hour I spend with them. Then I go for a walk, or I go for gym. I work out. I'm a gym enthusiast and very health conscious. Though now, because of my son's marriage and all, 1.5 months I was busy. I couldn't look after myself, so I put on some weight.
नहीं दिखता है।
But yeah, and when I'm tired, I go for a walk. I meet my friends. I love cooking. Yeah, so I cook, and yeah, I'm a very good cook, as told by my friends. They love.
So cooking में
Yeah.
थोड़ा कुकिंग के बारे में बताएंगे, कौन से टाइप की डिशेस आप बनाना चाहते हैं और खिलाना चाहते हैं, हम भी आएंगे।
Any kind I can. I make Chinese, Italian, Thai, Punjabi, South Indian, Mauritian. Mauritian my favorite. I make very tasty mutton. Mutton I make because whenever there's a party, I am being instructed by my friends. Please make mutton.
अच्छा, आ जाता है, रिक्वायरमेंट आ जाती है,
रिक्वायरमेंट आ जाती है, या बट आई लव कुकिंग.
सो अब की जब पार्टी होंगी तो हमें भी
या श्योर आई एम वेरी गुड. या no, because some of my friends are veg also, so I make veg also. So since I am Punjabi, so we are foodie, so I will share.
Sure, thank you, ma'am. Okay. So any कुछ ऐसे कुछ विश है कि मुझे ये साल में ये करना है, ऐसा कुछ दिमाग में आ रहा है?
ये साल में
या आगे?
हाँ अभी यहाँ या अभी तो मैंने बोला मेरे को मैराथन करना है
वो तो हो गया।
21 किलोमीटर।
हाँ।
आगे अभी
कोई प्लेस जाना है?
या आई वांट टू गो टू आइसलैंड।
Why
I
Iceland?
travel a lot. I
Mhm.
travel a lot. I have gone to many places and so अभी थोड़ा ज़्यादा नहीं बाकी है, पर बाकी है तो next is my Iceland,
Iceland.
Northern Lights.
So from your travel ये journeys, कौन से memorable place जरा उसके बारे में बताया कि वहाँ पे आपने क्या क्या किए, वहाँ का food, वहाँ का culture, वहाँ के places.
Yeah, few years back, I and my brother had gone to Europe, and that trip was all scheduled and planned and executed by we both only. We have searched different YouTubes, and then we searched, and then we booked everything on our own, and that was an extraordinary trip. We missed the train, we missed the bus, our tour guide left us. And there was a place in Italy. We got my brother went to buy biryani, and then we were late, and then our tour guide left us. The bus left us, and we were just standing in that road. And then I was asking for lift, and one Italian guy he gave us lift. And during that time, it's all online, so we were not having that much cash also. So he said, once I will drop you at the nearby station. Once I leave the city, then I have to pay tax. So I was having some little bit dollar. I said, okay, I love you. Please take this dollar and thanks for everything. Because we were not having cash in the wallet because everything was on card.
Yeah.
So I said, I can either pay you by card or I don't have. So some dollars were there. We paid him, and then he dropped us to the nearest station, and then we took the train, and then we reached our hotel.
Wow, क्या memories! पूरे अपना
You know, we,
काजल की movie के जैसा हो गया.
Yeah, definitely. Because I tell my brother that time my brother was little hesitant what is happening. So I said, see now, we gone to beautiful places everywhere. We have gone to Paris, Switzerland, Italy, Rome, but we missed this. But all these things only we remember. I don't remember. We have gone to different kind of museums. After one point of time, all museums look to me same only. So, but I still remember that we missed the bus. Our tour guide left us, and we remember those things, and we laugh all these things we did. Yeah.
I went the tour. कभी हुई ये tour?
2 years back.
Wow, recent day.
Yeah.
Wow. So ये lifetime memories बन गए.
Yeah, this is
कोई
lifetime.
आनंद अब किसको भी नहीं include किए?
No, only we both, and now we become pro in traveling, so we can go anywhere and everywhere.
वो तो
Anywhere
हो
we
ही
can
जाता है.
Anywhere.
ये सब इंसिडेंट होने के बाद तो you
yeah.
can go to any place. आप forest में बोलेंगे रह लूँगी.
Yes.
कि कुछ भी करने का anything is possible.
Yes,
Wow.
anything is possible.
Brother sister का wow. So, मैं मेरा last question.
Yeah.
दमनजीत का मीनिंग क्या है और ये डिस्क्राइब करो दमनजीत एज अ पर्सन एक लाइन में.
Actually, दमनजीत का मतलब है जो कभी नहीं हारती. And very true to me, I am a survivor, fighter, and a mother. Not just to my son, to my articles who are working with me. And I have a very never die attitude, and कभी हार नहीं मानती. और जब ठान लेती हो तो करके दिखाती हो.
सुपर हैट्स ऑफ. सो मैम अभी अपन जाते हैं नेक्स्ट राउंड, द रैपिड फायर, द फन राउंड. सो जल्दी आंसर करना है. आप मॉर्निंग पर्सन हो या नाइट पर्सन?
मॉर्निंग.
टी और कॉफी?
कॉफी.
सो लेट्स प्लीज. आपकी फेवरेट क्यूजीन, फूड डिश?
आई लव थाई करी.
ओके. आपने लास्ट मूवी कौन सी देखी?
लास्ट मूवी
हाँ.
चंदू चैंपियन.
Okay. Best piece of advice you have received?
Best piece of advice.
आप सबको देते तो आपको भी तो मिलता रहेगा ना.
Yeah, lots.
हाँ तो
Lots.
something
Yeah.
memorable.
Yeah, during my first job, ex-register, I told you that I was working for listed company under share department, and he told me that Damanjit, be a good learner and a student. मुझे सब आता है ऐसा सोचना मत, क्योंकि knowledge is so vast that you keep on gaining knowledge and learning. So I'm still doing it, and I always strive to gain new knowledge, learn new things.
No. So, आपका favorite color मैम?
My favorite color is blue.
Blue.
Yeah,
Mine is also blue.
yeah.
So, okay. Your favorite holiday destination?
Switzerland.
Wow. Yes. So, ma'am, last question. One thing you can't live without.
Loyalty.
Oops. So, ma'am, ये आपने बहुत अच्छी तरह से आंसर किए. And
Thank you,
can
Amit.
just give.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Okay. So, friends, it was a lovely conversation we had with Damanjit Edwin Isaac, a powerhouse handling. She's a mother to her team members and available for her clients and answering them patiently. And in spite, she was very hesitant कि मैं ये conversation कैसे कर पाऊंगी, लेकिन आपने मैम बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से कर पाए हैं. ऑन कैमरा मुझे मालूम है कि विदाउट कैमरा में रखूंगा तो अब मेरे को पूरी अखी रात भी बिठा देंगे, कॉन्वर्सेशन चलते रहेगा. बट ये आपने कोशिश की है, अच्छा थैंक यू कि इसको जैसी आप थोड़ा कैमरा भी कर सके. आई हैव ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड माई जर्नी स्मॉल वेज एंड करते करते वी हैव कम अक्रॉस इन दिस 4-year journey, 100+ episodes. So do click on the Coffee Conversation YouTube channel, बेल आइकन क्लिक करना, आपको 100+ episodes दिखेंगे. अगर आपको स्पीकर बनना है, so visit our website theimagingindiaforum.com and our team will connect with you and invite you, and we would love to have cover your journey and listen to you, and you would be part of a coffee tribe. So stay safe, and we meet with another coffee speaker.